Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the top 5 best Dyson vacuums you can buy in 2025. From powerful cordless models to advanced filtration and smart cleaning features, I've tested these Dyson vacuums to see how they perform in real-world cleaning. Whether you need deep cleaning power for carpets, gentle care for hard floors, or a lightweight option for everyday use, this guide will help you choose the best Dyson vacuum for your home. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Delivers 280 AW of powerful suction and performs impressively across hard floors, carpets, and upholstery. Its dual-channel system enhances pickup of both fine dust and larger debris in one pass. The standout feature is the illumination that reveals hidden dust, helping ensure you don't miss spots, especially on hard floors. With up to 70 minutes of runtime on a full charge in eco mode, it's capable of cleaning medium to large homes without frequent recharging. The HEPA filtration captures allergens and fine particles, which is excellent for allergy sufferers and pet owners. In real-world use, it feels well-balanced and agile, transitioning smoothly between floor types and reaching under furniture with ease. Pros: very strong suction, up to 70-minute runtime, dust-revealing illumination, effective on all floor types, and advanced HEPA filtration. Cons: premium price compared with many competitors, heavier than some other cordless models, can be loud on higher power modes, and accessories cost extra. Some users find the dust cup fills quickly during heavy cleaning. Overall, it's a top-tier cordless vacuum that blends performance and innovation, great for busy homes, pet owners, and deep cleaning tasks, but overkill if you only need occasional spot cleaning. On number 2 is the Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. Blends powerful performance with smart cleaning features to make everyday floor care easier and more thorough. Its 240 AW suction handles dust, debris, and pet hair effectively across hard floors and carpets, while the laser/dust revealing illumination highlights fine dust you might otherwise miss. With 3 power modes and up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, it's capable of cleaning medium-sized homes in a single session. In real-world use, it transitions well between surfaces and detangles pet hair better than many cordless sticks. The ability to convert to a handheld expands its usefulness for stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. Pros: strong suction for a cordless model, dust-revealing illumination, good runtime, effective on multiple floor types, and handheld versatility. Cons: battery life drops in max mode, accessories often sell separately, the dustbin is modest in size, and it's premium-priced compared with many other cordless vacuums. It can feel slightly heavy during long cleaning sessions. Overall, it's a great choice for pet owners and households wanting powerful, intelligent cordless cleaning, though not the best fit if you only need a simple spot cleaner or are on a tight budget. On number 3 is the Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum. Is a cordless, lightweight cleaner designed for tackling dust and debris on hard surfaces, upholstery, and confined spaces like cars and boats. With 115 AW of suction and 2 power modes, it offers solid pickup for sand, crumbs, pet hair, and everyday messes. Its cordless design and compact size make it easy to maneuver into tight spots, under seats, and around boat cabins without bulk or cord hassle. In real-world use, it feels easy to use and comfortable to hold, even during longer jobs. Pros: portable and lightweight, decent suction for its size, cordless freedom, good for cars/boats/stairs, and easy one-hand operation. Cons: suction is not as strong as full-size vacuums, runtime, up to 50-minute, can drop quickly in high mode, no large dustbin, and it's best for spot cleaning rather than whole-room deep cleans. The filters need regular cleaning to maintain peak performance. Accessories are somewhat limited. Overall, it's a very handy, versatile handheld for quick cleanups and travel use, especially in vehicles and boats, but not a substitute for a larger home vacuum. On number 4 is the Dyson Wash G1 Wet Cleaner, Matte Black/Ultra Blue, is a premium, cordless wet cleaning machine designed to deep clean hard floors, tile, sealed surfaces, and other washable areas with a combination of scrubbing action and suction. Its powerful wet cleaning system lifts stubborn dirt, spills, and sticky residues more effectively than a traditional mop, while simultaneously collecting dirty water so floors dry faster. With targeted motorized brush bars and adjustable cleaning modes, it adapts to varied messes, from everyday spills to tougher grime. The unit's cordless design and maneuverable head make it easy to handle throughout the home without being tethered to outlets. Pros: strong wet cleaning performance, efficient dirty water extraction, cordless convenience, versatile on multiple sealed floor types, and easy-to-operate controls. Cons: larger and heavier than standard vacuums or mops, shorter runtime than dry vacuums, requires frequent emptying/filling of water tanks, and a premium price point. In real-world use, it significantly outperforms traditional mops on sticky or dried-on mess but doesn't replace dry vacuuming for dust and debris. The cleaning path is wide enough for efficient floor coverage, though storage may take extra space compared with stick vacuums. Overall, it's a great choice for households with a lot of hard floors or frequent spills, especially if you prefer a machine that both washes and partially dries floors in one pass, but it's less essential if you primarily need dry vacuuming. On number 5 is the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra is a corded upright vacuum with 290 AW of powerful suction, designed to deep clean carpets and hard floors with consistent performance. Its detangling motor bar head automatically helps prevent hair wrap, making it ideal for homes with pets and long hair. The vacuum's 3 suction modes let you tailor power to surface type, from delicate hard floors to thick rugs, without losing efficiency. In real-world use, it lifts embedded dirt and pet hair exceptionally well and maintains strong airflow even as the bin fills. Pros: very strong suction, detangling brush head, excellent pet hair pickup, consistent corded power without runtime limits, and versatile floor performance. Cons: heavier and bulkier than stick vacuums, requires outlet access, no cordless freedom, can be loud at higher power, and accessories are sometimes limited in storage/onboard placement. The larger size may be harder to maneuver in tight spaces or upstairs. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for deep, whole-home cleaning, especially for pet owners and carpeted homes, but less ideal if you prefer lightweight cordless convenience.